ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ringkat lang bakari berokoi. Kajila Meklia ka Arpasantrik Kuala Lengkot Arajar Arpuar Kalarakhi ya ka National Voters Day halor kapang making elections inclusive, accessible and participative. Ya kani kijing rakhi bala pelong dak office jong Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya ha State Central Library Shillong la sakilang dak Chief Secretary jong Sorkar Jila kong Rebecca V Suchang kabalalong kum ka kongsan. Hakini ngi Chief Secretary kala sam ru ya ki epic Syaki samla ki bala purung kerteng thamai hak electoral roll bat penkub buram ru ya ki state BLO icon bat ya ki district BLO icon bat hak juga por la pelat pet baru ya ki BLO ready reckoner bat directory bat ya ka ELC electoral rama volume 2 shushu ka kongsan kala play pet baru ya ka photo exhibition democracy at 50 kabala long ha plau jong State Central Library bat sam rui khusnam shakinong job ha kijing ko baper ha kapor mun step ka Deputy Commissioner jong East Kha Hills District ka kong Isawanda lalu kala kawe lama ya ka wakathan halor ka phang walk for democracy kabal sedang na madani urung ham bat penkut pat ha plau jong State Central Library.
The theme for this year's NVD is making elections inclusive, accessible and participative. The NVD truly marks the celebration of the world's largest democracy. It is a reminder of our constitutional right to adult suffrage guaranteed to every single citizen of the country, irrespective of place of origin, religion, caste, creed, language, or socio-economic considerations. The year 2020 and 21 saw the biggest challenges posed to all of us and to the election machinery as well due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The district faced many hurdles and constraints. However, it is heartening to note that due to the sincere commitment of our field functionaries like our booth level of officers, the BLO supervisors, our assistant electoral registration officers and EROs and the entire machinery that we as a district have managed to enroll up to 15,200 new voters in East Khasi Hills alone against the usual average of 10,000 in the previous years. During the recently concluded by-elections to the Mauplang and Maurangkaneng assembly constituencies, we were also able to ensure voting from home through postal ballot, as was also stated by the additional CEO, for senior citizens above 80 years, for persons with disabilities, and for people infected or suspected to be having COVID-19. 241 numbers of voters were able to benefit from this initiative of voting from home, thereby strengthening the theme of making elections inclusive, accessible, and participative. The district administration has also stepped up the process of vaccination of not only people involved in the election process, but also of all eligible voters in the district. And taking a cue from best practices and from the election model, we were able to carry out vaccination on election mode in all the constituencies in the district, along with Aadhaar enrollment and eShram registration. This is to ensure maximum participation of healthy and eligible voters, most particularly those who have reached the eligible voting age of 18, and also with a view for ensuring safety of the entire electorate during the upcoming state general elections 2023. Booth level officers have been trained on COVID appropriate behavior and the best COVID related safe and best practices before being deployed in the field, in keeping with our state's highly commendable performance in curtailing the spread of the COVID-19 infection. The District Election Office of East Khasi Hills is committed to having greater and stronger participation of the youth of our country, and let us all renew our pledge in order to uphold the democratic traditions of our country that has worked together as a state and a nation and really live out the theme, which is making elections inclusive, accessible and participative. My thanks to all of you once again, and I wish everyone a very happy National Voters Day 2022. Khublei Mithila Jai Hind.
And lately I've been winning battles left and right. But even winners can get wounded in the fight. But people say that I'm amazing, strong beyond my years. But they don't see inside of me, I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I go running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. Unafraid because his armor is the best. But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. But people say that I'm amazing, never face retreat. But they don't see the enemies that leave me at his feet. They don't know that I go running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I draw my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Hey guys, leave the rehearsals. Just look at all the buzz happening on social media.
What's all this, bro? New battle, new competition coming up?
All the noise is for the importance of voting. Imagine.
As if voting would make a difference. Yeah. Guys, let's not behave like this. We are the youth of the nation. Democracy and the right to vote are two powerful tools. What we choose today leads our nation tomorrow. Remember.
Raise my hand and roll my name. Stamp my vote, never be the same. Find my voice and speak my mind. Tell the
Raise my hand and roll my name. Stamp my vote, never be the same. Find my voice and speak my mind. Tell the world I will be fine. We will be the voice of the nation today. We will own our choice. We will make a way.
但手機有意計你就即揾命活tâm Ini to ura ito Utiai wo yalam
One life, one voice, one future. Enroll now. Take the plunge.
Guys, don't get carried away. Have you forgotten coronavirus? Are we going to stand in long queues and endanger our life just for democracy? Hello? No people, no democracy.
God bless you.
A new disease has taken all over the world, which is called coronavirus, also known as COVID-19.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Hold up.
Coronavirus. And if I'm a part of your life, you will.
Wear your mask. Wash your hands. Social distance is your chance. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Follow protocols, please. Don't touch your nose, mouth and eyes. Use an alcohol sanitizer. That is wise.
Laugh your hearts out. But are you aware? All this has already been taken care of.
Really? What do you mean?
Have you heard about the NVSP?
No, what is it?
The National Voter Service Portal.
Why? Is it a magical way to enroll without actually being there?
Yes, you are absolutely right. The NVSP has features for it helps you search your name in the electoral list. You can apply online in English or Hindi language for new registration. You can view the polling booth, assembly, audio-video short films, and a short educational film on electronic voting machine (EVM) is also available to guide everyone, especially the new voters.
你从起我们不当。Ini to urai to kiai wo yalam. Oi go.
Ya na ting sa kan ti ni magkrak na nangani yung ma makang ti na ja ko de na tu magpakaw ni makatok na nagsap so way ring makang na mi ya mi tik ba on the mine na thang hatan yo ba kurana ya kurang kuk nak ti na
Gani gede ya jing ya phet kana barurang ba ga jing ki kli ya ga la wei ki kilo balai pun tia ga sur de gade gani ga sur lakin thai nation rang bandan benda ha ga jing ke la to ai ba ga sur kan gang gang.
Roma koru kasih mentah Lakal lalut nakiba mensua Karang karem mom don show Buram makor jongi lajandu Roma koru kasih mentah Lakal lalut nakiba mensua Karang karem mom don show Buram makor jongi lajandu Kon samla samla kari tongin yayeng tuli bangin wan raya kajingkala kumbalong haki pormenswa barong ikwa banyo madya kajing pa kori bai dumen bareng natrang bapan kursoy panyam jing sung yasliang hakajing yam kon samla kari tongin yayeng tuli bangin wan raya kajingkala kumbalong aki pormenswa barong ikwa banyo madya kajing pa.
This eventful journey that was launched by the Election Commission has led to the empowerment of voters and all stakeholders in strengthening democracy brick by brick in India over these last 7 decades. I would like to touch on a few brief highlights. The ECI, the Election Commission of India, has always adopted a very progressive and dynamic approach by adopting the best technological management devices and practices globally, by adopting latest technologies to augment the public confidence in the integrity of the election process. The ECI continues to take several initiatives to optimize the potential of the ICT, or the information communication technology, to enhance service delivery to all stakeholders, and to improve electoral literacy by way of extensive use of apps such as the NVSP. We just saw in the choreography that was performed a few minutes ago about how it was useful not to stand in line, but also to do it online. So it continues to have various technologies like the NVSP, the Voter Helpline app, which can be downloaded on your phone, and you can register with the comfort and ease from your homes, and the BLO Garuda app, which the BLOs have used. We are also celebrating the BLOs today, because the BLOs are the foot soldiers of democracy. They are the dynamic link between the voter and the election machinery. And we will be our Chief Secretary will be felicitating the district as well as the state BLO icons on the occasion of the 12th National Voters' Day, in recognition of the tremendous contribution of all the BLOs. The other theme of the National Voters' Day is inclusive and accessible elections. The ECI continues to attach very high importance to the special needs of the people with disability to ensure there's inclusive elections. We have been providing assured minimum facilities at the polling stations, but this year, as mentioned by previous speakers, there have been special outreach activities in the form of the Form 12D, which allows people with disabilities, senior citizens above 80, and also those who are COVID infected to vote from the comfort of their homes, where the BLOs go to the homes of those people of these categories, and those who opt for them, they can vote from the comfort of their homes. This was tried out in the last by-elections to the 3 constituencies of Maurukneng, Mauflang, and Rajabala, and we had about 300 such people, and it was an exercise which gave us a glimpse into how we can reach the vote to the doorstep of these categories. In the coming 2023 elections, of course, it will be a much larger number of people who will perhaps opt, and I urge the election machinery to gear up for this challenge ahead. Another point which I would like to highlight is that the enhanced voter participation and in the electoral process is integral to the successful governance of a democratic country, and also towards empowerment of the citizens. More increased electoral awareness amongst electors is important as the government of the day draws its legitimacy for the people through the voting preferences that they exercise. So thus, free, fair, and participative elections are the very foundation of all democracies. And India is the world's largest democracy, and as such, there's a special role that the ECI plays in enhancing this mechanism, as the world's eyes are also turned upon India as the world's largest democracy. Any gap in the voting points to a trust deficit of the people in the democratic setup. Hence, through programs like the National Voter Day that we are having today, and also through programs like the summary revision, intensive efforts are made to ensure that voter education reaches to each and every voter, to ensure that there's inclusive, informed, and ethical participation by all stakeholders. I would also like to share with you a few brief statistics. As per the final rules, which are published on 14th January 2022, the total electorate of Meghalaya stands at 20,81,570. The male electorate is 10,28,395, and female enrollment is slightly higher at 10,53,173. And we are also happy that at this moment in time in our state, on the 50th year of our statehood, we are led by a woman chief secretary, a lady chief secretary, a lady DGP, and we also have with us a lady DC. So it's befitting that the female enrollment also is higher. We have 2 transgenders amongst this electoral roll as well, and 3,822 service electors. That means uniform service voters. I would like to highlight that out of the total new additions of 54,702, these new voters who are in the age group of 18 to 19 years accounts for about 65% of the new addition. So that itself shows that there's great enthusiasm amongst the newly enrolled voters to get themselves registered. Gender ratio, as per census, is 989. The electoral ratio is, of course, 1,024, which is higher than the census ratio in terms of the gender ratio. We have a total of 3,335 polling stations spread across 60 assembly constituencies, over 12 districts of the state, including the one that was just created in the latter half of last year, and wherein we have 145 new polling stations. So we have gone up by 141 new polling stations from the last assembly elections. And every one of the previous speakers has touched upon COVID-safe elections. As such, it continues to be endeavor of the election machinery to encourage online enrollment via contactless and digital mediums, such as NVSP, the Voter Helpline app, which you can download on your phone, and the BLO Garuda app. I would also like to share with you that online mode of registration in the last summary revision accounts for about 30% of the total enrollments. This, despite the fact that we have poor internet connectivity and perhaps the digital medium has not reached everywhere, but in spite of that, 30% of our enrollments in the last summary revision are from online medium. We would also like to share with the audience that the e-Epic download facility is now available. Those of you who have the Voter Helpline app can download your e-Epics. You don't need to carry a physical copy anymore. If you have a Voter Helpline app, that e-Epic will be always available with you whenever you travel or wherever you need it. You can download it on your phones. And with this year, with the NVD 2022 nationally, the Election Commission is committed to ensure that there will be doorstep delivery of the EPIC card. Of course, in Meghalaya, we have executed an MOU with the Department of Posts, whereby on a pilot basis, we have selected 2 urban constituencies, Shillong South and South Tura, and 2 rural constituencies, Chokpot and Ranikor, as the 4 constituencies where this doorstep delivery of EPIC cards will be distributed with effect from this National Voters' Day. And we hope that gradually, by the time that the 2023 elections are upon us, we'll be able to cover all the 60 constituencies and 3,335 polling stations in our state. This year, all the new voters will also be welcomed with a welcome kit and a special message from the Election Commission. And we would also like to share with you that it will be the endeavor of the Office of the CEO and the election machinery to continue with the online engagement of voters to ensure that there is COVID-appropriate behavior through contactless and digital medium, as well as other outreach activities. Before I resume my seat, two more far-reaching reforms that have been launched by the Election Commission are that now registration will happen 4 times in a year. Earlier on, registration was only as on 1/1 of the particular year. For example, this year, it would be on 1/1/2022. But now, with the far-reaching reforms initiated by the Election Commission, registrations can happen 4 times in a year, apart from 1/1/2022, 1st April, 1st July, and 1st October are the other dates on which these registrations can also take place. With that, we will be able to cover more new voters as well. Of course, another reform that has just been passed by the government is the linking of the Aadhaar to the EPIC with an intention to weed out duplicate entries as well as to purify the rolls. This is a challenge which we will be jointly addressing with the state machinery, because we know that Aadhaar coverage is still an ongoing process, but we hope that together we can reach the goal. Once again, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very joyous and meaningful National Voters' Day, and we hope that we are able to gear ourselves together with you as we approach 2023 Assembly elections. Thank you very much.
One life, one voice, one future. Enroll now. Take the plunge.
Find my voice and speak my mind. Tell the world ta sau khi yêu mi cái ni cho chết của mem của tâm Ting ito ura ito kutia iwo yalam
One life, one voice, one future. Enroll now. Take the plunge.